In front of me is Nothing Phone for April, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off Suggestion Strip at the top of your Gboard. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. This way you can access System. Now tap on Keyboard, on-screen keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, select Corrections and Suggestions, and then scroll down to tap on this switcher next to Suggestion Strip. When it's black, that means that Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. So let's check it out. I can see that mine is over here. You can disable it by tapping on the same switcher until it's gray. But thanks to it, when you click on gear icon at the top of your keyboard, you will get access to keyboard settings in a few seconds. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!